Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with power off, flip the breaker, and confirm no voltage with a tester. Next, remove the light kit or canopy to expose the capacitor. Take a clear photo of each wire on its terminal because matching terminals matters. Safely discharge the capacitor using an insulated screwdriver across terminals while wearing gloves. This protects you and the remote receiver. Once done, compare the printed micro F and voltage on the old unit to the replacement to ensure the ratings match exactly. Now remove the terminal nuts and lift the wires off the old capacitor. Work one terminal at a time to avoid mix-ups. Place the new capacitor in the same orientation and transfer wires to the corresponding terminals. Tight, secure connections reduce resistance and heat. Use insulated tools and avoid bending leads sharply. Once wired, fasten the capacitor into its bracket or clip so it won't vibrate. Make sure the replacement has the same micro F and voltage. Improper specs cause poor motor performance or failure. Finish by reassembling the canopy and light kit, being careful not to pinch wires. Restore power at the breaker and test each fan speed plus the remote. Listen for smooth starts and correct speed changes. If the fan hums, doesn't start, or remote responses are odd, immediately cut power and recheck your wiring against the photo, confirm terminals are tight, and verify the replacement micro F and voltage match the original. One key troubleshooting tip: a wrong micro F value often causes humming or insufficient torque. Swap back to correct spec.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.